Dad, of course. Eh? Oh, meow. Oh, hey, sweetheart. How's it going, there, sweetie? Meow. Very good, of course. Meow. Rightly so, right? Of course, Dad. So, what are we doing then? Well, I'm not sure, Dad, because I still don't think of it. Oh, okay, Dad. You know what, sweetie? Yes? You want to look over there, Dad? What do you mean, Dad? Just look over there. Okay. I didn't say anything then. Why you don't look at me then? Well, cause please close there, sweetie. Oh, what are you doing? Baby, again. Oh, just come on then. Alright then. 1, 2, 3. Ah! I like the flying around then. You do feel like it too. Meow. What did you want to do then? Well, chasing you. Oh crap. No, you didn't. Oh, that hurts. Get back here, you sweetie. Oh, sweetie, where are you? It's not that funny then. Come on then. Meow. She cannot find me out here. I guess I'll be rest over here to watch my favorite thing then. Indeed, very lovely then. Indeed was. What? Meow? I gotta go then. Where? Hey, you get here. You got me. Indeed. Meow. Well, I didn't see you actually next to me. Well, I did, cause my feeling when you're here then, you know? I know, cause I did the same feeling too. Well, just, you don't do not too much for me then, cause you even have the right then. Yeah, meow, cause, you know, I feel like I can't believe you now. Oh, sorry. That's okay, sweetie. Every time I make a mistake, we always handle it, you know? I know. And always like sisters. Of course, then. Like that. Oh, see you then. Get back here then. You can't get me then. Oh, no you don't. I'm not gonna let you get me then. Catch me again, there, sweetie kitty. Meow. Meow. Sweetie! Whoa! Oh, that was close. I got that. Okay. You scared me. You almost fell off to the cliff. Yeah, don't know where I'm going then. Maybe actually next time be careful. Like sometimes. You know what, sweetie? What? Oh, meow. Meow. You like the meow sound? Yeah, cause we're not like kidding then. Yeah, cause, you know, kidding sometimes like would be said like that then. Cause we can't hear what they're saying. Yeah. Although we still like kids then, never say like that. Cause we always meet together. Why you don't hang out with sister then? Oh, silly. Cause Yachi is very special. What's so special then? Cause you're my Yachi is my life. And also, if I lose you, where will I get to go then? Cause if you're gone, yeah. Cause you've been taking me out for a lot now. Of course then, cause your Yachi is my heart. Your heart? And yours is my heart too. Really? Cause we both had life and had futures, you know? Now when I was baby Ricky, or with my sisters, I always just face curious you. Really? Cause I also care everyone, and you is very important indeed. Like my sister. Oh, sweetie. Meow. You're so sweet. Same for me then. Mwah. Come on then, let's go. So, what do we do then? Well, I actually ran out of this somewhere. Come on then. Really? Again? Yeah. Meow. Like always does. Like kittens. Those are cute then. Yeah. Well, and how'd you say this, sweetie? Oh, meow. You're so like kitten. Meow. So do you then. You want me to get you then? I'm not sure then. Come on. Sure. Did I feel heavy? Not me then. Yeah, she's like cute. Yeah, thanks for that then. Of course then. Come on. Let's go. To where then? Of course I'll go back to the ship then. To my home? Sure. Why not then? Of course I did then. Kitten. Meow. Meow. I love this song. So do me too. I always love you, sweetie. Meow. Mwah. So do me then, sweetheart. Mwah. And meow.